Today I'm going to make a real simple, easy recipe, Italian sausage pasta with spinach. It's really simple. You got 6 ingredients: the pasta, hot Italian sausage, mushrooms, spinach, some Parmesan cheese, and red pepper flakes. We'll get the water boiling. Safety tip, make sure you turn your handles inward so that you don't accidentally bump it and spill water on yourself. Take our sausage. Another safety tip, or just good habits to develop, is make sure you have a clean working area. Don't have stuff right up against the burner that could potentially become a hazard. So now that we have the sausage pretty much browned up, now we can add the mushrooms. And hopefully these mushrooms will just absorb all of the juice that's in the pan. Now I want to add a little bit of seasoning to it. Going to drain the pasta. I'll just go ahead and take this and add it right into the pan. Next step, that bag of spinach, and start piling it on. You just keep mixing the pasta around until the spinach is cooking down like this. A quick, easy recipe if you're getting off work at 5 o'clock and you want to go home and don't want to spend all afternoon or evening in the kitchen. This is a really good, quick, easy meal that's relatively healthy.